What's up guys, it's Matt at Mo's Performance. Today we're going to be installing one of our 87mm ported throttle bodies on our 2017 Ram. Going to kind of walk you through the install. This is only going to take us a couple of minutes. You're going to start off by pulling off the plug on your IAT sensor from your intake tube. And then we're going to go ahead and remove the intake tube by loosening these two 8mm bolts. There's one that connects the tube to the throttle body right here, and then there's another one next to the air box that secures the tube to the air box. That tube's just going to come right up and off. Now you're going to see there's 4 of these green bolts here. These are 8mm, one on each corner. We're going to go ahead and take those off next. Now it's going to be time to unclip it. So you see this red locking tab, you need to open that up, push it out, and then you're just going to pinch the connector and pull. It comes right out. And we can lift that throttle body right up and out of there. And here is our new ported 87mm throttle body, which we're just going to drop right into place. And we're going to take those green bolts, 8mm again, reusing your factory bolts to secure the new one. Sorry about the phone. Now when you tighten your new throttle body, your intake manifold is plastic. So you don't want to over tighten it because you will strip the threads in that plastic intake manifold. I just like to use a 1/4" drive ratchet. Wait till the bolt stops and just kind of bump the bolt. You don't want to do a half turn or a 1/4 turn or anything like that, because that will chew up the threads on the intake. So once that's bolted back down, we're going to take our connector, plug it back in. Don't forget to push the locking tab, lock it in place. And now we're going to put the intake tube back on. I'm going to plug your IAT sensor back in. And then just tighten the two 8mm hose clamps. This one secures it to the throttle body, and then the other one is what secures it to your air box. And that's it. Ported throttle body is installed in less than 4 minutes.